Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyree and I'm here with another video. It's a very short video, but I'm so excited because if you're anything like me, you love Starbucks, you're addicted to it. And with us being 4 days into summer, I'm craving Starbucks every day. So I want to show you guys how I make my very favorite iced chai. So I have which is I guess considered a venti size cup here, and I'm just gonna note everything in the description box for you guys and also go over how I do my iced chai, which I use almond milk. So I'll just let you guys know where I got everything from and we'll go from there. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to talk about all of the items I got. And shout out to Raven Elise because that's one of my favorite YouTubers and that's how I actually learned how to put together one of my favorite drinks. So I'll start with the cup. This is probably a venti size cup. I got it from Walmart. It was $5. If you go over to like the section where they have pretty much like their plastic cups, near anything that's a coffee maker, that's where you actually should find these at Walmart. So again, this is $5 at Walmart, and I figured it would be good because it's durable and it's safe in the dishwasher. I usually hand wash it just in case, but I have put it in the dishwasher and it was not damaged at all, so it is pretty good. So $5 for this. Now these are the two syrups that I use. I also got these from Walmart as well. You would find these in the section that housed the tea, and these are not at all stationed with the margarita mixers. They're actually in the same aisle as where you would find tea and coffee. So you have to look kind of next to the teas. Now this is about maybe $3. So I got the French vanilla one. There is just regular vanilla. There's hazelnut. There's all types of different flavors. The brand is called Torani, I believe. At least that's how it looks like it's called. So Torani, I don't know. But it's pretty good, and it says it's 0 calories for anyone that cares about that. So yeah, pretty good. 5 milligrams of sodium, but 0 grams for fat and carbs and sugar. So yeah, this is the French vanilla one, Torani. Also, just in case, of course, when I was originally looking for the Torani one because that's the one I saw Raven Elise mention, but of course in the same section I saw the vanilla. So I'm sorry, I saw the Starbucks brand for vanilla. So I was like, oh, okay, well this is actually what I'm looking for. Just so you guys are aware of the difference. I see why a lot of people choose the Torani brand because that one literally has 0 calories. And if you'll notice, the Starbucks brand here for the syrup has 80 calories. There's 20 grams of carbohydrates, 0 for fat and sodium, and for sugars that's the 20 grams. And this is definitely the key to this drink. This is the Tazo Chai Classic Latte. And it's very sweet. I've tasted it by itself just to see, but it's just the tea by itself, the chai tea latte, and it's super, super sweet. So you don't actually need to add in any sugar into this. I don't think that you need to because this plus the syrups will be just enough. But this was about $2 and some change, so not very expensive. So far we have $2, we have about $3 or $4 for this one, and then $3 and some change for this one, and then this is $5. Now, also while I was in Walmart, they have almond milk. I got the great value kind. I just wanted to try the almond milk and vanilla. I'm still actually getting used to drinking like almond milk and cashew milk and stuff like that because I definitely want to give up dairy as much as possible. So I'm just trying out different types of almond milk. So I actually have this one and it's very good. So this was actually not that expensive. It was definitely around $2. So yeah, this is all very affordable enough to make the same drink that I usually get at Starbucks. So I'll go ahead and get started with mixing everything. For the sake of this video, I'm actually going to use this one because it is mimicking my Starbucks drink. So I just take my Starbucks cup, my $5 Starbucks cup, and I'm going to set this right here on the counter. And then I have a full tray of ice. I typically lose one, that's fine. Here's my ice in the cup. I start with this. And I just pour maybe about, I would say, a third. Up to this line. I really like that this cup has a line. So I pour about right up here, which to me marks about a third of the cup. So there is no label or anything on that, but that's where I pour it. Next, I go in with my almond milk. And I love watching the colors mix up. And that's pretty much where I pour it to. That should be good enough. I'm also trying to save some milk. I'm almost out because obviously I've been making this just about every day. So I have to re-up. And then I leave room for syrup because I never know how much I want to pour in there. So, and I just pour 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. That's what I think 3 pumps is. And then I take my straw and the cap and I twist it back on. I use a straw to stir. And I have my favorite drink. Sometimes what I do like to do is I do like to add in a little cinnamon. So just for an extra little taste of flavoring, I put a little bit of grounded cinnamon in it to top it off. And also it adds like a very nice color. You can see like little specks of cinnamon throughout the entire drink. And I just mix that all up as good as I can. Let's put this back here. And if you want, sometimes your ice does melt a little bit. You can add in more ice, but I don't always think it's necessary, but yeah. But yeah, so that's pretty much how I make my iced chai, and I save a ton of money. I'm super excited because it's pretty good and it tastes just like it came from Starbucks. So if you are interested in following along in this video, let me know in the comments below. Let me know how you like to make yours. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how I like to make my passion lemonade at home as well. So thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.